Miss Me, I have made a decision. I'm going to drive to the moon.
You can't even drive 3 steps straight. Where are you going?
Anywhere destiny takes me, but mostly the kitchen.
Alright, let's learn a word today. 出发,出发. It means to start a trip, a drive, or a new day.
出发 I like it. It sounds epic. 小黑出发
Hey, slow down. You almost crashed my foot.
That was a test drive. Your foot pass. 出发 Let's go. Set off.
Where do you want to 出发 to? Leave a comment. 我想去的地方是 Tell me your answer and tap the like button. Let's set off an adventure with Xiao Hei.